how I have made over $10,300 on ClickBank in 7 days with affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. Now in this very short video, I'm going to review to you exactly step by step behind the scenes, if you're a beginner watching this video, how you can get results before Christmas in 2025 going to 2026. Okay, so all you have to do is watch this 6-minute long video and you will understand and realize how simple it is once you see the bigger picture. Now, first of all, as you can see over here, right, we have had new ClickBank account, and you can see, let me click over here, in this week, results over here, and then over here, $12,000, $7,000, and over here you can see daily results, right? All this done with ClickBank product. Now, when it comes to promoting products, you have to understand there is psychology of marketing. I know many gurus are telling you you can just plug in the funnel and run ads, and it doesn't work like that. Because once you have someone who can show you one-on-one, step by step, exactly by hand holding you how to turn this into action, then you can naturally start launching and creating your first ads and having results in the first 3 to 5 days. Yes, 3 to 5 days, even earlier. Usually 2 days after running the ads, after warming up, you can start seeing results if you are targeting buyers' clicks, because the money is in the buyers' clicks. Let me show you exactly how this works, okay? Over here, you can reach out to me later on my Instagram, okay? I chat over 69 countries. You can see over here, thanks to affiliate marketing, thanks to Google ads, Facebook ads, running different offers online through the years. You can see over here, right? You can reach out to me one-on-one over here later on my WhatsApp and email, Facebook Messenger. But how you can put this into action? You can see, first of all, on Google, people are looking for solutions to their problems and pain. Okay, so let's say you have a back pain. Most people go at night, feel back pain, go on Google and search how to get rid of my back pain, or how to lose my weight, or how to manifest results, or right, or any personal development stuff, or hobby niches, questions that are dealing with the problems. Again, the problems and pains they are dealing with. So that's more important. Why? Because it shows you that Google is different than social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, right? It's different. It's social media, and here we have Google. People get educated or making buying decision. One of those things. Okay, one of those two things. Nothing else, nothing less, nothing more. So, as you know, now you can target the right audiences if you understand psychology of market, criteria of markets. Is it high emotional states, low emotional states audiences? All this matters. Okay, it's not your fault if you have lost money before. Maybe you tried running ads, ClickBank, Facebook ads, and you lost money. I think it's a scam. It doesn't work out. Well, I understand how it feels, because I used to do this a few years ago, and until I had someone, a mentor, a coach, to show me one-on-one exactly how to do it, then I was able to see the bigger picture and realize, heck, I can duplicate and install the same method as you see right now, right? So let me show you over here. Most of the people buying courses from different YouTube gurus or ClickBank gurus, right? They're doing it wrong. They're following the wrong method. It's outdated. It used to work, especially if thousands of people are following the same method, doing the same copy and paste thing. Of course, it will not work, right? Why? You can see over here. These landing pages built on ClickFunnels, usually they target only curiosity clickers, meaning people who are just curious, what is this ugly image? What is this about? So they click, they watch video, and then they don't buy. All right? And it's not your fault, because you follow the system that is outdated. It used to work years ago. Okay? But now it doesn't. It's 2025, almost 2026. And yes, it's still possible, if you start right now, to start having results. You have at least 20 to 30 minutes per day to do this, okay? Without showing your face, even if you are a beginner, even if you have never tried ClickBank or any affiliate marketing or make money online offer, all right? You can do this. As long as you are willing and have desire to achieve at least 100, 300, even $500 per day or more. Now, let me show you over here, right? If Alex Hormozi, like if you don't know who is him, he got a Guinness World Record for selling $100 million on live stream of his book packages, right? Books. So if he can make $100 million online in one day, then I'm sure you can make 100, 300, even a $500 or $1,000 per day as a beginner. But of course, 3 to 5 days from now, if you start, for example, today, right now, 5 days from now, your ClickBank account, your bank account could be at least $500, right? In the 7 or 5 days, $500 or $1,000 in 5 days is doable. Again, as long as you're serious, committed, and want to achieve more, I want to get more before Christmas, right? Because now is the buying season. So it's perfect opportunity for you to start having results because people are already in the buying mode. Okay? Now, let me show you an example, simple example. On ClickBank, let's say that you are spending $20 per day on Google Ads or $30 US on Google Ads per day. And let's say that the front end offer it's started with $50 up to $150. So with one sale, you could be making $150. And then the same person who bought front end product will also buy the upsells, right? Upsell one is maybe $250 extra. At the end of the day, you can make $500 US in a day with one customer, one person buying the whole entire funnel, right? One package. How much have you spent on ads? $30 US. How much you made back? $470. Is it good? Even if you spent 250 or let's say $300 US in one day and made back 500, one sale, you made back $500 US, you are $200 in profit. Now, my friend, you see how this works in action. In action, not just practice, in action in 2025, 2026. It's all about average order value and upsell take rate. Okay? On the back end, of course, the money is made the most money on the back end. You can see what we get done together over the Zoom call, one-on-one. We connect 30 minutes, 40 minutes. We get it up and running. Set up Google ad campaign. You get done for you. Google pay-per-click ads, exact targeting details done for you. Of course, done with you together. A quiz funnel, the funnel that actually converting, that is functional. Okay, because female and male audiences are different. You can promote weight loss products, but you have to understand females and males language patterns are different. So that's why we give you the exact copy angles, the exact copywriting details and targeting details. So you can go up there and have results. Okay. Now, let me ask you, if others are making money online, why couldn't you do it too? Right? Because the only thing stopping you is the belief that you can't. If you keep telling yourself you can't, you're waiting, you make excuses, you're procrastinating, yes, it will not happen, never happen for you, never ever. But if you're smart and action taker, and I know you are because you're still watching this video, then you know that before Christmas you can start having results. You can start having results starting today. In the next 7 days, your ClickBank account could be at $300, $500, even $2,000. Who knows, right? It's all doable, it's all possible as long as you take action, right? Now, universe or God or however you want to call it, it works by first you put in, you get out. Okay? For example, with ads, put $1 in, get $4, $3, $5 back. This is how it works in action, right? So time is of the essence, right? This moment is buying season, as you know, almost Christmas. Then why not give yourself a gift? Give yourself a chance, an opportunity, a gift to start having results. Before Christmas, you could already have your first $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000. But it all depends on you, right? Because all it takes is one offer, one affiliate link to set you free actually to start having results, sustainable results that you can duplicate later on and scale up, right? So now is decision time. You can keep trying alone, you can forget about this YouTube video, or you can follow the proven system and get one-on-one personal support, hand-holding, done for you and done with you offer that's going to help you to actually start converting. Because all you have to do is share, send traffic to your affiliate link on ClickBank to start having results. Okay, so after watching this video, if you want to connect with me one-on-one, there is my email, WhatsApp number, yes, my personal phone number, email, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger. But but only connect with me one-on-one if you're really action taker, if you're serious and actually want to get results in 2025.